This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Wiper blades renewal. Lift the wiper arm from the screen, depress the clip and unhook the blade from the arm. Lower the arm onto the screen. Fit the new blade to the arm, ensuring it clicks into place.